Hello friend, this is Lexus IS 250 2007 model. Customer complained the car does not crank, no start, push button is working, the ignition switch is on but no crank. When you turn the ignition switch on, no crank. When press the brake, the light goes to green, but the system is working good. You see the light is changed. I press the brake but no start. This is a push button start car. Easiest thing you check, first you goes to the starter relay because the ignition switch is on, and I will show you where is the location of the starter relay, and you can check easy the starter problem or any electric issue. This is the plastic clip. Remove this clip and remove the relay. Here is the location, starter relay location. We connect direct jumper to the starter electric and we positive and see if the starter is good and engine is cranking. If this is the location, this is the starter relay. If the starter is not good, the engine cranking sound does not come. This is the positive unit of the battery, and this is the starter connector into the relay. This is what we will do with direct jumper to the starter wire. No sound for the starter. It means the starter is the problem. In this video I will show you main thing, how to remove out the starter from the car, because it is a very difficult location, and in this video I will show you how to remove the starter from the car, because very small place. Battery voltage is 10 volts, not too good, but okay. Can be more. Before I put jumper, no start. Starter removal operation. See, when you open the starter, remove from this small behind. This is the place how to remove out the starter, because some technician open whole thing for the starter removal. You can out the starter from here, same this like. This is the removal, and when you fix the starter,
so you turn it same way.
you can fix same thing. Very small place, but you can
Turn same way.
remove the starter from down. No need to remove the compressor alternator. You see,
Again fix.
very easy to fix.
It's fixed.
Only remove the starter to bolt and wire harness and remove from down. Thank you for watching.
It's fixed.